Hi, I'm Ellie Frost, and this is an introduction to a program I run on creativity and innovation. It is designed to help you release what's blocking your access to your own creativity and innovation and give you really easy, simple, practical tips on how to become more creative and innovative right now and in your everyday business practice. Innovation is just creativity that's productive, and most of us aren't used to tapping into our right brain enough to use its creativity on our problem solving, in our businesses, and in everything that we do. Innovation needs to be on the agenda for everyone in business. It's what keeps your business relevant, evolving, growing and succeeding. So I think this is really a course for everyone, and I really want to make it so easy for you to start introducing more creative practices into your everyday without a multidisciplined approach to it. It's really flexible around you, just teaching you how to retrain your brain and see things differently. The big secret about creativity is that you really don't need to do anything that big to start becoming more creative and training your brain to think in more creative ways all the time. So this is a course for everyone. Sign up now. My website's elliefrost.biz.